Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one-eye Great Dane, back with day 459 Star Drop opening. So, we still have double Star Drops going on, and I did actually end up finding out what it's for, but it's actually quite simple. So again, Brawl Stars posts on a lot of different social media platforms, but the one I use is YouTube because that's where I upload my videos. So again, if you guys aren't subscribed to the general Brawl Stars channel, they do little posts every now and then explaining what's going on. So apparently the reason we're getting double star drops is simply because we have a Mega Pig event going on. So again, that means that it also only lasts until, I'm guessing, the end of Sunday, so make sure to hop on this weekend to get your double star drops. And then I guess the daily login calendar thing goes for about 8 days, if I'm not mistaken, is also technically part of this event going on here. So, again, it does last for the entire week, obviously, but I don't really know why it's connected to this. Anyway, let's jump into the double star drops.
Rare.
So, we have a rare of 25 power points.
Legendary.
Okay, we have a legendary. Okay.
Let's go explore!
Got Bee-Bite, which I believe is an epic skin, so that's pretty cool. I think I might like the Arch-Villain one more that I also have, but again, still pretty cool.
Rare.
Rare 50 coins.
Rare.
Rare 100 XP doublers.
Super rare.
Super rare of 100 coins.
Rare.
And a rare 50 coins. So again, it's not quite a hypercharge, but still can't complain there. So we have quite a bit going on again. So we have the actual Mega Pig itself. We have Boss Fight added back after a while. Yeah, we have Knockout 5v5 for today. And again, I really hate that it does it like this, but what I'll probably end up having to do is, luckily, if I remember correctly how this works is essentially an hour before whenever you claim it. It's like you can get the next daily gift every 23 hours, so technically you can knock it back if you keep doing it. But I'll probably just end up having to stitch this into the end of the video whenever I can actually get the day 2 star drop. But again, it is quite frustrating. I can't just open it, or it doesn't actually reset daily because it's based on when you do it. So again, I don't know exactly how this works if you collect the first reward and then you can only get the next reward if you've claimed the one previous, or if this runs out at some point. But again, it is just more free rewards, so again, it's just a good way to get players coming back to keep playing the game each day. I don't actually know exactly how it works, though. You guys would probably have to finagle that yourselves to really figure it out, but anyway, I'll probably claim that later on. So in the shop, we have the Dread Knight Draco offer still, of course, for about another day, or about the end of this weekend, additionally. Same thing with these SpongeBob offers. And again, you can probably tell I caved a bit, spending a lot of gems. It's literally 80 per pin. And I end up getting one of the sprays as well. The only one I didn't get here is the Sandy pin, and I don't really care too much about the icons. I already got some good icons anyway. But also I'm flat broke on gems now. And again, you can also probably tell that I caved on getting these SpongeBob skins. So again, based on the posts, they will probably come back eventually, but, and this is something I was having a conversation with one of my club mates about, is it's hard to say whether or not it's actually going to come back at a discount or not, or if it's just going to come back. And I'd rather just get it now than wait until it could possibly come at a discount, because again, if you guys remember Brown and Friends, which was technically the first true collaboration with Brawl Stars, those skins were only purchasable for gems, and they didn't come out on discount for many years. So again, I'd rather just get the skins now just because I'm a fan of SpongeBob. And again, I think I now understand why the Plankton one seemed to come in the shop so early, because it was probably the most expensive of the skins at like $8. Again, I might be wrong because I don't know how much the Patrick and the Krabs Tick, which again is, I think everyone's still surprised they chose Mr. Krabs to be Tick instead of the other character there, Clancy. But I am still pretty happy with the majority of the skins, and I think most people were somewhat satisfied with the event. It's just the actual collaboration I think people are happy about. It's the way the actual event went that I think made it frustrating with the whole Krusty Cash and having to play every single day. Again, it's quite a bit of relief to be in the new Spooky Tales season where I don't feel as obligated to play every day. Again, it's really good this weekend just because it's double star drops. But anyway, for the daily freebie, I have 5 credits and 10 power points. And I do have just a bling pack resource offer, but again, I just got 2 skins, so I'm feeling pretty good anyway. Again, it was $12, but again, if you guys use the Supercell store, you can get some additional points. So I also ended up getting an additional 1000 XP doublers through that. So it's something I'd suggest to you guys anytime you're purchasing something that only comes at a specific dollar value. Just head on over to the Supercell store and you might be able to get something. It's usually a very small additional reward, but you can at least usually get something, hopefully, depending on what tier you're at. Again, you'd have to spend an absurd amount of money to get everything, so I definitely don't recommend that, but it is an option. So as of today, I have 966 XP doublers and 97,242 power points. But again, I haven't actually tried the Mega Pig yet, and if I click on it, maybe it'll tell me. No, I don't know. I mean, it just shows general modifiers here, so it's hard for me to really say. I think Mega Pig might have all of them. I'm not really sure. I do hope it has Big Friend. That's one I particularly enjoy, just picking Frank so that my team has an absurd amount of health, right? But again, in Mega Pig, there's no ban phase, so you guys got to remember that if you're so used to playing ranked, right? You just pick the best brawlers no matter what, and hopefully you'll win. And again, if you're doing it with randoms, I wish you the best of luck, because that's what I'm going to do, and it can be frustrating. So, let me know if you guys plan purchasing any of these SpongeBob items, if you're excited to see the weekend event modes back, or if you're excited for Mega Pig. There's just quite a bit going on in the game this weekend, so it's a bit exciting, but other than that, this video's already gone on long enough, so let's see how far I can take this, guys. Alright, so I'm back with the additional Day 2 Daily Gift Star Drop.
Rare.
And again, a rare 50 coins. So, again, looks like I'll unfortunately probably have to do this every other day, but anyway, again, let's see how far I can take this, guys.